Welcome to our jewelry factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how gold rings are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The process of melting gold often involves careful alloy mixing, which is essential for maximizing both the metal's strength and its inherent shine.
Every ring is shaped with precision and care.
Each gold ring is carefully inspected to meet the highest standards.
And that's how gold rings are made, from raw gold to timeless beauty.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and jewelry making documentaries.